What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you the moldings. These are for an E36 M3. I believe the ones E36s that aren't M3s have a different setup, but this is all like the little rubber condom style. But anyways, these are the passenger side. I bought the complete kit from ECS. It's the trim kit that goes around the whole car. But I wanted to show you guys because I was a little, I don't know, I was a little worried about buying it, to be honest, because I don't like putting aftermarket stuff on the car. But as you can see right there, these are the OEM ones. This was cracked. They just look old. So the bottom one obviously is the ECS one. You can tell it's a lot cleaner. Looks good. The material feels nice. It is a little bit lighter than the BMW one because the BMW one has a metal lip that these clips hold on to. One of the really cool things I do like about this is the clips actually have two holders in place, so it's not a lot of science trying to get these on. I know a lot of people have had issues trying to get these on their E36s, but literally side to side, so this is kind of where you're living at and you have enough room to move it, as opposed to the old ones that are just kind of, they go where they want to go and you're stuck trying to take it off, put it on a million times. It does come with the hardware, which is really nice. And again, this is the ECS tuning molding kit for the E36. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think.